Fabulous update for the Lexus NX. Lexus upgraded the all-new models. Spelled-out script badges will replace the traditional logo on the trunk of new models. Lexus is making lots of major decisions as it aims to embrace the future of electric vehicles. 1 second before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. We've seen an idea which could be the long-awaited successor to the LFA, and the luxury car maker has unveiled its first electric car that's called the RZ. In this brand new chapter, Lexus will be making a number of modifications, the first of which can be found on the rear of cars similar to those of the 2022 Lexus NX. In this SUV, it is notable that the Lexus logo is being discarded in favor of a script written out, which will become the norm in future models, according to the global head of marketing Brian Boline in an interview. We need some way to signify that change is coming to Lexus, and this may seem like a dumb way, but it catches your eye, Boline adds. The good news is that the changes to the NX aren't only superficial. The luxurious SUV also comes with the latest infotainment system, which utilizes Google Maps for navigation info. It is also able to be connected to Apple Music and Amazon Music and comes with the ability to wirelessly connect Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The frustrating and irritable joystick used to manage Lexus infotainment systems from the past has been eliminated, and the changes will be applied to many other models in no time. Boline declares that Lexus isn't looking to sit around for the midlife refresh, and instead wants to roll the latest tech across as many vehicles as is feasible. There's a very quick window, something like 30 months or so, but we're not waiting for major changes, Boline said. We're doing it fast. This type of urgency will let customers know that Lexus is in tune with trends and can be counted on to provide the top and most up-to-date technology that is available, which could enhance its image in the marketplace and further enhance its reputation as a leader in the field. We are looking at the future to see how Lexus is aiming to change the way it operates, and we hope that the next few updates will include more than an innovative way to identify it on its own vehicles. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.